And in April 2025, Peter screamed at me and Armin Ronacher of Flask and Sentry fame, hey, the agents are working now.
So that's Peter Steinberger, right?
Yeah.
Creator of OpenClaw.
Yeah, exactly. And we were both like, no, shut the fuck up. It's not going to happen. But that's around the time when he started using Claude Code, and it just told us, just try Claude Code, man. And that was the big revelation, because what the Anthropic team did was pretty ingenious. Previously, coding agents like Cursor and so on would index your code base and kind of not give the agent enough tools to explore things on its own. And Anthropic had the genius idea of making the agents basically use your computer. So giving it a sort of terminal, a bash, something that lets it run commands. And with those tools, it could explore the code base on its own. And it turns out LLMs are really good at exploring code bases. So that basically gave us agentic search, as it's called. And that changed the equation, because now all of a sudden the agent was no longer restricted by something like Cursor that would not allow it to search things on its own, but kind of give it the thing where Cursor thinks this is what the agent wants, but do things on its own. And that kind of started the entire agentic coding thing for me. And I was a diehard Claude Code fan, but eventually the Claude Code team grew. They started to, token max, I guess. And they added feature, and with that a lot of bugs, a lot of changes to the system prompt. And
so roughly what part of 2025 we're talking now?
About July, August, I think.
So that's when you started to feel like the unnecessary features.
Yeah, I reverse engineered Claude a little bit. I mean, reverse engineered, it's a JavaScript app at the end of the day, so you don't need to reverse much, but I saw that they're doing a lot of dumb shit. Preface, I love the team. They created the genre, right? But for me, that was not a usable tool anymore because it broke my workflows every day. So then I slowly, surely started out building my own thing. And in October, I think I switched over to Pi entirely and have been very happy with it because it's stable apart from the LLM part. I obviously don't have control over the LLM itself, and those change as well. But everything around that is now fully under my control, and it doesn't do any superfluous stuff. So my workflows are pretty stable, even across different models.